So, Apple has recently released their new feature called the Apple Card, which is basically a credit card which is owned by Apple. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, videos related to technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other tutorials are posted here. So, if you're interested, make sure to subscribe our channel for more such videos. So I know that Apple's supposed to be a phone and a computer company, but it just released its Apple Card. Apple Card is basically a virtual credit card which is supposed to be inside your phone. It is also linked with Apple Pay, making your purchase more easier. And this titanium-made little card seemingly has a lot of advantages for you. First of all, it is very compatible in every single store, and for the places where Apple Pay was not available, now you can use your Apple Card. Second of all, Apple Card lets you easily understand your spendings, be it weekly or monthly. It will generate a graph and show you your total spendings. Also, if you forget the place you had a transaction, it can show you the place exactly. Now let's talk about rewards. Apple Card gives you daily cash with every single purchase going straight to your Apple Card. Most importantly, now with Apple Card there is no fees, seriously no one. Apple Card sets a new level for privacy and security, and it creates a unique card number for you and locks it away in the hidden compartment in the iPhone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is it, and drop a like for sure and comment down below your views for the new Apple Card. Thank you. See you later.